Hey outdoor enthusiasts, ready to transform your car camping experience from basic to absolutely epic? We've rounded up some seriously cool gadgets that'll make your buddies wonder how you became such a camping pro overnight. From survival tools to high-tech communication gear, these game-changing accessories will have you camping in comfort and style. Let's dive into the must-have gear that'll revolutionize your next outdoor getaway. The Buck Knives 863 is a versatile survival knife designed for outdoor enthusiasts and car campers. It features a durable 420HC steel blade with a full belly drop point, making it suitable for heavier tasks as well as general work. The knife is equipped with a brown and black CNC contoured micarta handle, complemented by steel bolsters, which enhance grip and durability. Notably, the rear bolster can serve as an improvised hammer, adding to its multifunctionality. The knife comes with an injection-molded nylon sheath that allows for both horizontal and vertical belt carry, ensuring convenience and accessibility. Additionally, it includes a fire starter and whistle tool, essential for survival situations. Each Buck Knives undergoes a rigorous heat treatment process and quality performance testing, ensuring reliability and longevity. Importantly, carrying this knife is subject to legal restrictions, requiring a valid reason. With a lifetime warranty, the Buck Knives is not only a practical tool for camping and outdoor activities, but also a reliable companion for survival scenarios. Overall, it combines functionality, quality craftsmanship, and thoughtful design, making it a must-have for adventurers. Transforms outdoor illumination with its versatile functionality and smart design. This compact powerhouse serves multiple lighting needs, while doubling as a power bank to keep your devices charged during adventures. This lightweight 1-pound device packs easily into any camping setup. The light offers impressive versatility with 3 distinct modes. Use it as a directional flashlight for navigation, switch to area light for broader illumination, or attach the lantern diffuser for ambient lighting throughout your space. With an 8-hour running time on a single charge, the GLO A400 keeps the adventure going long after sunset. The included hook allows for hands-free operation by suspending the light in tents, RVs, or any outdoor setting. For emergencies, the built-in SOS function provides an essential safety feature. Personalize your campsite ambience through the Dometic app, which controls both brightness and color, 8 different hues. The rechargeable battery fully charges in just 4 hours via USB-C input, with convenient charge level indicators showing remaining power. Built to withstand the elements, this water and dust-resistant light delivers reliable performance in tough conditions, making it an essential companion for any outdoor adventure. The iClimb Ultralight Folding Table is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts, combining rugged durability with effortless portability. Unlike flimsy tables with bungee cords, its innovative hinged design ensures years of reliable use, while the aerospace-grade aluminum alloy construction keeps it ultralight, yet surprisingly strong. The waterproof, corrosion-resistant surface wipes clean in seconds and stands up to harsh conditions, with anti-slip rubber feet and reinforced joints that stay stable on uneven terrain, no wobbling or collapsing. Setup is a breeze. Simply unfold the base, snap on the tabletop, and you're ready to cook, dine, or organize gear. The heat-resistant flat surface safely holds camp stoves, cookware, or drinks, outperforming cloth top alternatives. Packed with thoughtful features, it includes a carry bag for compact storage and weighs less than a water bottle, making it perfect for camping trips, beach days, picnics, or even backyard coffee breaks. Whether you need a cooking station, snack stand, or gear organizer, this versatile table adapts to any adventure while taking up minimal space in your car. For campers who refuse to compromise between durability and convenience, the iClimb table delivers professional-grade performance in a featherlight package, proving that the best gear doesn't have to weigh you down. We have the Roof Nest Condor 2 rooftop tent. a cutting-edge solution for car camping, designed for durability and comfort. Its super durable ABS shell features locking latches and a Line-X coating, making it waterproof and tough enough to withstand any adventure. The fold-out design maximizes interior space while maintaining a compact footprint, and it can carry up to 150 pounds of gear, including bikes and boards, thanks to the included heavy-duty crossbars. Constructed from 320 GSM coated poly-cotton fabric with a waterproof rating of 3,000 millimeters, the tent also features a blackout coating for enhanced privacy and comfort. Inside, campers will find a built-in 2-inch high-density foam mattress for a restful night's sleep, along with a 7.5-foot lightweight aluminum telescoping ladder for easy access. The Condor 2 is equipped with 3 dimmable LED lights and a ceiling-mounted gear grid with a clear tablet pocket, perfect for cozy evenings. With large 3-way windows and a skylight for stargazing, this tent is designed for all seasons. Its compact shape fits even the smallest vehicles, making it versatile for various setups. RoofNest continues to lead in camping innovation, enhancing outdoor adventures for all. The Slime Flat Tire Puncture Emergency Kit is a fast, foolproof solution for roadside tire emergencies, making it an essential gadget for car campers, road trippers, and daily drivers alike. This all-in-one kit includes a digital tire inflator and emergency sealant that lets you repair and fully inflate a flat tire in just 10 minutes with no tools, jacks, or tire removal required. Just plug into your car's 12V outlet, press a button, and let the kit do the work. The inflator features a digital display to monitor tire pressure and a pressure release valve for precision. The sealant is safe for tire pressure monitoring systems and is approved by top automotive manufacturers. Eco-conscious drivers will appreciate the non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-flammable, and water-soluble formula. The temporary repair lasts up to 100 miles or 3 days, giving you time to reach a repair shop safely. It's easier and quicker than changing a spare tire, and perfect for those who want to avoid roadside struggles or long waits for help. Lightweight and compact, it fits in your trunk for peace of mind wherever the road leads. The Slime Emergency Kit is the smarter, safer way to handle flats on your next outdoor or urban adventure. Number 6, we have the Thetford Corp Portable Toilet, a top-tier solution for portable sanitation, ideal for car camping and outdoor adventures. Recognized for its innovative design, this modern toilet offers home-like comfort with features such as an ergonomically designed seat at a comfortable height and an increased bowl size. It operates on a convenient battery-powered flush system, providing approximately 56 flushes per tank, which is perfect for extended trips. User-friendly operation is a key aspect of the Porta-Potty, featuring an ergonomic carrying handle, an integrated toilet paper holder for easy access, and tank-level indicators for both fresh and wastewater. Its impressive flush capacity minimizes maintenance needs during longer outings. Sanitation is prioritized with an airtight sealed valve system that prevents odors and a rotating pour-out spout that eliminates mess when emptying the waste tank. For secure transport, a hold-down kit is included to anchor the toilet to your vehicle floor. The two-piece separable design allows for easy cleaning and maintenance, enhanced by an improved water tank carrying handle and a pivoting pour-out spout. This comprehensive portable toilet solution brings essential comforts to RVs, boats, trucks, vans, and camping setups, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. The Midland 2-Way Trails Radio Micromobile delivers powerful communication capabilities for outdoor enthusiasts in a compact, vehicle-mountable package. This 15-watt GMRS device offers exceptional range and clarity through its configurable high and low power channels, making it indispensable for camping, off-roading, overlanding, and backcountry adventures. What distinguishes this radio is its remarkable versatility and feature set. The system includes 142 DCS privacy codes that prevent unwanted transmissions from being heard on shared channels, particularly valuable in popular camping areas with multiple radio users. The channel scan function automatically searches for active channels in your vicinity, simplifying communication setup in new locations. Safety features are comprehensive, with NOAA weather scan, automatically monitoring 10 weatherband channels and locking onto the strongest signal to provide critical weather alerts and emergency notifications, including amber alerts for missing children. A silent operation mode allows users to disable all tones when stealth is required. Compatible with all Midland FRS and GMRS walkie-talkies, this system creates a seamless communication network between vehicles and handheld units. While the manufacturer suggests potential ranges up to 40 miles under ideal conditions, actual performance depends on terrain and environmental factors. For car campers, RV enthusiasts, hunters, and outdoor adventurers requiring reliable long-range communication. Beyond cell service areas, the Midland Micromobile offers professional-grade performance in a user-friendly package. Next up we have the Waterport 4.0-gallon day tank, the ultimate portable water solution for car campers, overlanders, and outdoor enthusiasts who need easy, pressurized water access on the go. This self-pressurizing tank mounts securely to a tow hitch, bumper, roof rack, or truck bed rail, and can be filled quickly, reaching full capacity in under 60 seconds with a standard garden hose. Ideal for everything from off-road showers to gear rinsing, the day tank includes an 8-foot hose and a multi-pattern spray nozzle, offering up to 15 minutes of high-pressure spray time. Whether you're rinsing off after a beach day, muddy trail ride, or campsite cookout, this rugged water system has you covered. The tank features multiple pressurization methods, a built-in pump cap, Schrader valve, or automatic pressure via hose fill. The wide mouth cap also allows you to add ice for cool water, perfect for hot days. When full, the tank weighs only 19 kilograms, and its integrated handle makes it easy to lift, carry, and spray wherever needed. This version also includes a 2-inch hitch mount, turning your vehicle into a mobile rinse station. Durable, efficient, and ultra-convenient, the Waterport Day Tank is a must-have for cleanups in the wild. The Garmin Multipurpose Navigator is the ultimate off-grid companion for car campers and overlanders, packing professional navigation into a rugged 7-inch touchscreen device. This powerhouse delivers turn-by-turn road directions and detailed topographic maps, covering all of the world, while its 64 gigabyte storage lets you download USGS quad sheets and sync data across devices via the Garmin Explorer app. What really sets it apart are its specialized outdoor features. Preloaded Overlander points of interest and public campgrounds let you find perfect campsites without cell service, while 4x4 trail maps with public land boundaries help you explore further. Designed for serious adventurers, it customizes routing for large overlanding vehicles based on height, weight, length, and pairs with in-reach satellite communicators for texting when you're beyond cell range. The magnetic mounting system keeps it secure on any surface, while support for GPS, GLONASS, Galileo ensures reliable tracking in challenging terrain. Connect up to 4BC35 backup cameras for complete situational awareness. Whether you're navigating remote trails or setting up camp, this all-in-one navigator keeps you confidently off-grid with professional-grade tools that outperform smartphones. Last but not the least, we have the RHINO Folding Survival Shovel. Stands out as a remarkable 3-in-1 multifunctional tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. This versatile implement combines 3 essential tools in one compact package: a 180-degree adjustable shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree pick hoe, allowing users to handle diverse outdoor tasks without carrying multiple tools. Despite its robust functionality, the shovel prioritizes portability, extending to a full 22 to 23 inches when deployed, but folding down to just 9 by 6 inches for convenient storage in its included heavy-duty carry case. Weighing only 2 pounds, it adds minimal burden to camping gear while delivering maximum utility. The shovel's durability stems from its carbon steel construction, enhanced with a black powder-coated finish that provide superior strength and corrosion resistance while maintaining a sleek appearance. This robust build makes it suitable for demanding tasks like digging, trenching, and soil manipulation in various outdoor environments. Particularly valuable for car camping, off-roading adventures, and emergency situations, the RHINO Folding Survival Shovel comes with a confidence-inspiring lifetime replacement guarantee. If any issues arise, the manufacturer promises 100% satisfaction through replacement or refund. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking to maximize functionality while minimizing gear bulk, this compact multi-tool delivers extraordinary versatility in a remarkably portable package. And that's a wrap on these game-changing car camping gadgets. From high-tech navigators to ultralight tables, these picks will take your outdoor adventures to the next level. No more roughing it, just smarter, easier, and way more fun trips. Now pack up, hit the road, and camp like a pro.